Actually, I had put down all my feelings on this paper. My heart is in this. Honestly, I did not want to speak because I felt I did not have the courage, or I thought I would get very emotional. I really didn't want to come and speak here. So I have this paper, I'll read it out. Please don't think it is something just I've put down for the sake of reading, but let me swear and tell you it's my heart which is in this. Due to the current COVID-19 lockdown situation, the offline real-time yoga classes got translated to online webcast when our Kumar sir, in all his usual selflessness and humbleness, clarified that we shall try to help and reach out to the maximum people around the globe during this gloomy and worrisome period. When I heard this webcast yoga transformation course, as Kumar sir fondly and truly puts it, was coming to an end, firstly, I could not believe myself. The reason being, this course should have actually got ended by April 2020 as per the original schedule. However, has been getting extended again and again, which indeed has been a blessing for me, until finally we were told about May 30th, that is today being the Gratitude Day. Personally, it has always been a challenge for me to attend all of these life lesson programs of Kumar sir due to work-life balance and family pressures, as my husband too used to have hectic schedules of frequent travels out of Hyderabad, and children had to be taken care on the home front. To be very honest, I always used to feel that Kumar sir would take care, and if he wishes, it would happen. This has always been my staunch belief and faith on my Guru. It always used to be a fight between my heart versus the mind. At times, heart had won over the mind when I managed to be blessed to join the programs, while at other times, mind had won over the heart and I missed the bus. This time, I had some fond admonishings from sir, as I have been missing few of these programs for a while, which was indeed a true trigger which put me into thinking. In fact, I should also admit, Rama Madam also used to tell me a lot about sir's advice for continuity in this line to be able to stay connected and get going. I mustered up the courage to move forward and join the program. It was that God's grace and Kumar sir's blessings, and of course my sincere thanks to my husband and children, I just went ahead without thinking too much, leaving things to fall in place on its own. Having joined the course by the Almighty's grace, I have been able to attend all of the classes till date, never missed even one session, be it the real-time classes or the online live classes. I profusely thank Kumar sir for this too. It's been over 4 months since these sessions have been going on. 2 months were real-time offline until March 20th, 2020, and subsequent thereto till date has been the webcast sessions. Now, for me, it's become a daily routine of eagerly looking forward to these priceless and invaluable moments of learning the ways of living by working towards undergoing transformation into a good human, which very truly is one of the most significant essence of all our living in the world. If someone really asks me as to what have been my learnings from this course, let me honestly tell you, I am totally at a loss of words. If I start detailing my little understanding of discourses on dharma, a list of asanas, pranayamas, meditation aspects, diet protocols, exercise physiology, micro and macronutrition, etc., it would be like showing scant respect for sir, as I don't consider myself either capable or competent enough to do so. Since the time I have known, it's been Kumar sir's practice of always feasting us with his food of knowledge and wisdom. He is indeed an encyclopedia of knowledge and wisdom. but I feel I have a very, very long way to go to even have a taste of this with perfection. I can say out of my past experience that Kumar sir always has this consistent track record of delivering much more than what he promises to. Physical distancing has never been an impediment to this course. I have seen that even during this COVID-19 lockdown, these webcast sessions have been terrific. It has been his uncompromising teaching, running for 3 hours plus on multiple occasions, without showing any fret or frown on his face. Such has been the spirit of Kumar sir since I have seen him teach. His teachings are spontaneous and always he tries to get us into the preparedness to face the future. Specific to this course, I can just summarize my brief experiences out of the learnings from Kumar sir's teachings as under. Whenever sir spoke about dharma, be it from scriptures or by narrating Buddhist dharma stories or otherwise, I always used to get into a pondering mode and wonder how sir was teaching such profound aspects of life in such simple manner, thereby trying to connect to one and all. Whenever sir chanted and contemplated on mantras and slokas, be it Pali or in Sanskrit, on multiple occasions, uncontrolled tears would just keep rolling down my eyes. It's always been so soulful and divine. I would just thank and feel truly blessed for being able to manage and attend this program and find such a guru who is unfathomable. Whenever sir demonstrated those powerful vinyasa or CrossFit training or many other asana sequences or Tibetan asana techniques, I just can't name all of them at all. I used to feel, oh my God, what's this? It looks crazy. I'm just not able to catch up to sir's speed, power and resistance at all. Whenever sir performed all those variants in breathing techniques, I used to wonder, where from are these picked up? Is he carrying some magic wand from where he pulls out all these techniques? Whenever I have seen Kumar sir's astute detailing of COVID-19 preventive measure series of asanas, breathing techniques, diet, meditation, etc., I would just keep wondering at his selflessness and that compassion of wanting to help one and all around, and wished I could develop such qualities in such profusion. Whenever I have used our supplements and other products of traditional yoga, I have very truly gone by my conviction because I have seen how passionate sir has always been about his research and findings, and how he says he first tries it on himself and then only releases it to the outsiders. Let me tell you, I have seen that the products that I have used till date have been working really well for me. Whenever I have received the regular flow of research and information on COVID updates or other topics too, I found it to be very enriching. But truly, at times, I have not been able to understand some things when it would be too technical. But I would always make sure that I read sir's short write-ups, since it would give us the essence of that research paper or the findings. The Ganges videos with the mantra and sir's contemplation has been so divine, and I always enjoyed watching the pure waters flowing unperturbed. To me, sir's scientific approach to explaining from the smallest of things to the biggest of things has always been very fascinating, and I would look with a sense of awe. It's been an eye-opener for me, since I never knew that there is science behind everything that we do in life. Whenever I have received the prompt video files of the webcast sessions, edited further into specific topics, or the wonderful class notes from Manognya and team, and also excellent webcast notes from Lizzie Madam and the fine and detailed blogs from Manasvi, I can only say how much of an reinforcement it has been to my learnings. The timely updates on the availability of supplements and related products, along with all other information relating to this course, has been phenomenal. Specific to this course, I have seen Kumar sir repeatedly dwell upon certain facets of a student to make us understand their significance in reaching the ultimate goal of singularity. If my memory and understanding goes right, I can say that sir emphasized upon aspects of the need of a student turning into a disciple and thereby developing qualities of unconditional devotion, unconditional surrender, moving forward using our wisdom instead of our intellect, coupled with humility, gratitude and selflessness, which becomes very important for moving towards forward in this spiritual journey. If I have to synopsize about Kumar sir, from the little of what I know and have experienced during my past few years of this spiritual journey, let me proudly say that yoga has always been a passion for him. Sir is a symbol of purity and perfection. He is an embodiment of knowledge and wisdom. The one whose teaching is inscrutable and mystifying. The one who is filled with so much of selflessness, humility and gratitude, and who goes to any extent to spread the knowledge of Dharma. Let me be very true about myself. I am just treading on this path of Dharma under the able guidance and supervision of Kumar sir. And at the moment, I am nowhere, since there are a lot of cobwebs within to clear up, and that ultimate goal of singularity is very far-sighted. But let me tell myself that even if I am able to pick an iota of these learnings, I would consider myself to be truly blessed in definitely walking on that transformational path. Sir, I frankly have no words to thank you for all this knowledge treasure being imparted to us. Your utmost selfless, untiring efforts in trying to give us the best of Dharma and spirituality in the most purest and undiluted form is just incomparable. And that's what sets you apart from other so-called gurus of today. Let me, on behalf of all the students, sincerely assure you, sir, that we all shall sincerely try our best to always tread on this precious path of Dharma shown by you, sir. Let me also take this opportunity to specially and profusely thank each and every member of our traditional yoga team who have been so cordial, friendly, helpful and always so approachable and empathetic to all the needs of students. I also thank Mr. Virendra Reddy Garu and Mamta Madam and family for providing space for studio, for conducting these webcast sessions, and also our entire cast and crew of the video and photography team. Kindly pardon me in case I have missed out on somebody else. It would only be due to my inadvertence and not intentional at all. Let me once again assure you that each word that sir speaks in his class has a meaning. Not a minute will a genuine student would be able to batter an eyelid or just get into a sleep mode. Such is the spontaneity of sir that, he ensures that you are alert all the time. And to all those people who are in a dilemma to join or not join the ensuing course, let me vouch for it, saying that you will definitely not regret having joined the course. There is so much of learning to happen, and even if we pick an iota of it, I bet we are going on the right positive direction. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.